Hi, Orton Gillingham Mama here. I want to show you an example of the visual drill in an Orton Gillingham lesson. I use 10 cards in my deck for this. I show one card at a time. My student says aloud the sound or sounds that she's been taught as she simultaneously traces the grapheme. Let's see what this looks like. Good, but remember to clip that sound. Your student doesn't want any extraneous sounds. So clip.
Oh.
Notice how I'm keeping my teacher language to a minimum. Good. My student knows two sounds for this grapheme. So she traced it twice and said aloud each sound in the order of frequency. Trace this. Trace it again. So my student is having trouble coming up with the sound. So I had her trace it once. Now I provide a visual cue. I could give a picture of a word with this sound in it, or another visual cue of the word written out. This word is train. What does AI say?
A.
Good. Do that 3 times.
A.
Great job. That 3 times error correction helps cement the letter sound correspondences and A saying A.
E.
And she knows, because I'm putting up 2 fingers, that she knows 2 sounds for this. So if she can't come up with the second sound, again, I give her a visual cue because this is the visual drill. How about this? I'm looking for the sound of this body part. Yes, as in head. And this would be an appropriate keyword clue if we've already talked through the EA saying as in head. So show me both sounds of EA again.
E. Y. I. E.
Great. She knew 3 sounds for this grapheme.
Sh.
Good. And the last card is included because it's in the most recent skills that I've taught, but I would not be having her trace or say any sounds. If you choose to include this as part of your visual drill, you might use this as a time for the student to talk through any checkpoints. But that is the visual drill. I hope that helps.